blazing through history with purpose and power. The 1925 Studebaker Fire Truck represents a unique chapter in early American firefighting and automotive engineering. Built during a time when motorized fire apparatuses were still evolving from horse-drawn equipment, this machine combined the rugged reliability of Studebaker's commercial chassis with purpose-built firefighting equipment, typically powered by a robust inline-six gasoline engine producing around 50 to 60 horsepower. The 1925 Studebaker Fire Truck was capable of carrying essential gear, ladders, and even early pump systems, depending on the customization requested by local fire departments. Compared to more established fire apparatus, manufacturers of the time like American, La France, or Orange Fox, Studebaker's offering was modest in specialization but reliable and affordable, making it a popular choice for small-town departments across the country. Its wood-spoke wheels, open cab, and classic body lines give it a strong presence even by today's vintage standards. Historically, the truck played a vital role in the transition from hand-pulled or horse-drawn fire wagons to fully motorized fleets, marking a shift toward modern emergency response. As cities seek to preserve their heritage, restored versions of the 1925 Studebaker Fire Truck may serve in parades, educational displays, or even electric conversions for ceremonial use, symbolizing a heroic past while potentially sparking creative uses and sustainable vintage preservation.